We've received more interesting news about the Samsung Galaxy S24 series today, including an early launch date. We've received additional confirmation that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a new titanium frame, and of course, the Apple event a few days ago revealed new iPhones with titanium frames. Phone makers tend to follow the same route and utilize the same materials for their flagships, and titanium not only looks and feels nicer, but it's also tougher and more durable despite being lighter. Overall, this is a nice improvement, and titanium will protect the exterior. We have news of an early launch, and it appears that we will see the S24 in January 2024 rather than the usual February launch. Mass production of the S24 series is set to begin in November, rather than December, so a month earlier for mass production points to a month earlier for launch. Thanks to Yogi Sprout on Twitter, we now have the details for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. According to his tweet, it has a 6.8-inch display with the titanium frame we stated before, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, and it will be available for all versions in all areas. He claims that we get a 200-megapixel camera, plus 12-megapixel, plus 50-megapixel, plus 10-megapixel camera configuration, as well as a 12-megapixel selfie camera, and that it's all powered by a 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt rapid charging, and that it runs on One UI 6 based on Android 14. Ice Universe stated that it will see the 200-megapixel HP2SX sensor in the Ultra, which is an enhanced version of the HP2 seen in the current Ultra. It will be another 200-megapixel main camera. It's a 1.3-inch sensor with 0.6 micrometer pixels, so it's not the 1-inch sensor we were looking for, but perhaps we'll still see significant advances in photography. We received a tweet from Revenus advising that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra would have a 2TB storage option and that the 256GB versions will have 12GB of RAM, but that a 128GB variant with 8GB of RAM is also possible. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.